Guess what I just ordered? I'm so excited. See this really cool picture of my dog? That's Hero. He's looking out the window. There's a bird feeder in the side there. See, I'll scroll it down. Look at all the light and shadows on that and the plants that are around it. Well, I put a Facebook post up. It says, guess what I ordered? Yes, it's so totally awesome. I sent a picture of our dog Hero looking out our dining room window at the bird feeder. When my order comes back in, it will be a paint by number for me to do. The company said that in 2 weeks I will get a kit that has a canvas with printed color numbers, 3 brushes, and up to 24 colors to paint with, and the hooks and screws to hang it on the wall when I get it done. I can barely wait. That's right, you can take any one of your favorite photos and get it turned into a paint by number kit. And I spent ages and ages looking through all my pictures because I wanted to know, what would be my favorite one. But I love my dog, and I thought that would be awesome. And all I had to do, I went to this website, see? And it's called Paint Your Photo by Numbers. It tells you all about it. Look at that, it's only 20 bucks, right? And it tells you, it gets it done pretty good. Look what they've done. Let me show you some of them. See, this person, there's their dog, and they got it done in these colors. You get your brushes, you get the colors, and it's done by paint by number, and all the information is on this website. There's the kit. See? And it tells you everything that you get with it. Just go to that link, and it's on my Facebook page. Isn't that cool? I can barely wait till it comes. Look at, they got married and they did their wedding picture in it. So when it comes, I'm going to come back and you're going to be able to see this picture in paint by numbers. It is going to be gorgeous. I can barely wait. Pretty excited. Say hi to Hero.